Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you a simple trick how you can rotate text in Google Docs. So let's get started. Now guys, if I highlight for example that text here in my document, in my letter, there's unfortunately no way how I can rotate that text. There's no way how to do that. However, we can overcome this obstacle by simply using a simple trick. So let me show you how it's done and how to rotate your text indirectly. You can do that by simply highlighting your text you would like to rotate, by copying it, and by selecting Insert here at the top and drawing from the drop-down menu. Next, click on New here and simply copy and paste your copied text here into that field below. There you go. And after that, simply left click on that lever here and move it to the right or to the left to rotate your text. Click on Save and Continue in the top right corner to add your rotated text to your document, and there you go, your text has been rotated. That's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.